Welcome to my channel. Today's headline could shake the foundation of American voting rights. A new bill just passed in the House that could block millions from casting their vote. This is the SAVE Act, short for Safeguard American Voter Eligibility Act, and it's already sparking nationwide controversy. The bill, backed by Republicans and recently passed in the House of Representatives, would require documented proof of U.S. citizenship in order to register to vote. Think real ID driver's licenses, but only the ones that explicitly show citizenship, or a valid U.S. passport. Supporters claim the bill is necessary to prevent non-citizen voting, despite the fact that such cases are already rare and illegal under current law. But here's where things get serious. Voting rights groups warn the SAVE Act could disenfranchise millions, especially citizens who don't have easy access to these documents. We're talking about people who don't have passports, older adults, low-income communities, and women whose legal documents don't match because of name changes after marriage. In some cases, women may even be forced to show a marriage certificate to connect their birth name to their current ID. Yes, seriously, Democratic officials are also raising red flags. They say this could wipe out online and automatic voter registration in many states, tools that have helped increase turnout and modernize the voting process. Now, it's important to note, the bill does not affect people who are already registered to vote. But if you're updating your registration or registering for the first time, these new rules could make it a whole lot harder. The House passed it with a narrow 220 to 208 vote, including 4 Democrats siding with Republicans. But its future in the Senate? Still uncertain. Republicans don't have enough votes to override a filibuster, at least not yet. So the big question is this bill protecting democracy or quietly dismantling it? Iowa's controversial immigration law governor, Kim Reynolds of Iowa, has signed a new law that gives local police sweeping powers to arrest individuals in the U.S. illegally, even if they haven't committed any other crime. The law targets individuals with existing deportation orders or those who were previously removed from the country. Police in Iowa can now detain them, and they may be handed over to federal authorities, or even transported directly to a border entry point for removal. Supporters, including Governor Reynolds, argue the law is about public safety and claim the federal government has failed to enforce immigration laws. Reynolds said the Biden administration is leaving dangerous gaps, and states like Iowa have to step up. But critics, including the ACLU of Iowa, are warning that this legislation could be unconstitutional. They're concerned it could result in racial profiling, damage trust in law enforcement, and create fear in immigrant communities across the state. The law is set to take effect on July 1st, but it's expected to face legal challenges before then. A similar law passed in Texas is already on hold, while a federal appeals court reviews its legality. This move highlights a broader trend. Republican-led states taking immigration enforcement into their own hands, raising significant questions about state versus federal authority. The Biden's eye, a return to their old Delaware home. President Joe Biden and First Lady Jill Biden are reportedly looking to move back into a house they lived in more than 20 years ago, an old lakeside home just outside Wilmington, Delaware. This isn't just any house. It's a place filled with personal history, where Biden spent much of his Senate career and where Jill enjoyed a quieter, more grounded life away from Washington, D.C. The home holds deep sentimental value for the couple. But the timing of this possible move is turning heads. With the 2024 election season heating up, political analysts say this may not just be about nostalgia, it might also be a strategic move. Relocating to their former home in Delaware, just a short drive from Key Swing State, Pennsylvania, could help reinforce Biden's image as a man of the people, someone still closely tied to working-class America. As his approval ratings face pressure, election, showing that he hasn't lost touch with his past could prove powerful. Whether this is a heartfelt return to a beloved home or a clever piece of campaign optics remains to be seen. But either way, it's a move that's sure to get people talking. If you found this story interesting, Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more political updates and behind-the-scenes insights. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Is requiring proof of citizenship fair, or just another form of voter suppression? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breakdowns on major stories like this. Thanks for watching.